So do you want to know how my grape jelly turned out? Oh, I didn't do the spreading video. It's weird. What's a spreading video? I don't know. I'm gonna spread it on a piece of toast. How about that? You wanna see how it looks on a piece of toast? Okay, let's do that. All right, so I don't have a piece of toast, but I have a bagel, which is even better. So here we go. Let's see. I'm gonna turn off the baby monitor. She's crying. Don't worry, someone's with her. She's fine. I'm gonna put some butter first because who doesn't like butter on their toast with their jam? Hello. Duh, that's the best way to do it. Wow, I'm so bad at doing this one-handed. Let's try spoon. There it is. There it goes. A little bit more. Oop. Guys, you don't even know how hard this is to film and do this at the same time. There should be like a one-handed jelly spreading viral challenge. Okay, there we go. Let's see how it tastes. It's funny because I definitely can tell that my grapevine has a specific flavor. This and the raisins both have a specific flavor. You don't know I made raisins yet. I made raisins. That's what this video is going to be about. Like I said, last week we have so many grapes, so we had to find something to do with all of them. And we still haven't found that thing because there's still so many of them, but we're trying. All the yucky ones. You're eating?
What are you doing?
Taking the yucky grapes off. These are just not very good. That's okay because there's a lot. We still have about 17 million pounds of grapes, so we decided to make raisins. We found a very easy method to do it. First, you have to blanch the grapes in boiling water. That means you drop them in the boiling water for about 30 seconds, and then you drop them into ice water. So here we have our boiling water. We've already washed our grapes and sorted out what we think are the yucky ones. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drop these guys into the boiling water very carefully, away from myself. Okay, whatever, we will just guess. Can't be perfect. These tongs are probably better because they're longer. And for good measure, I'm gonna use this. You guys think it's time yet?
Yeah. Take them from the bottom.
How do we take them from the bottom? There we go. And wow! What? To the ice water. I feel like Eden's over there supervising. She's like, great job, Mom and Dad. Oops, I just put my mitt into the water. Luckily, my hand is not scalded. We have blanched these grapes and removed the stems, leaving just a couple of little stems to make it artisanal. And now we are going to put them in a single layer on these baking sheets, put them in the oven on warm, which is 180. We only have 200, so you do your best. And leave it in there for a day or two. That's 24 to 48 hours. And just keep an eye on it. It's been about 24, maybe not quite 24 hours, between 18 and 24. And you can see that they look like raisins. That's the only thing you need to look for, is that they look like raisins, and they do. So there we go. I'm just gonna take them out and decide if we want to sugarcoat them or not. Just kidding. Maybe not. Was it worth all the work? Those are really good.